June 13th. It's a Thursday. We're going to check in with Dad right away. Okay, so what's going on today?
Well, you seen the fan hooked up and whatnot?
Yeah.
Okay, so that all works. I haven't got nothing done on here today yet, but
After I left yesterday, you got quite a bit done, didn't you?
well, the differential is in full. Axles are on sprockets, so our next thing now is it's all done here. We spent another day getting this fixed up properly.
Okay.
And I got the shifter to put in yet, but the rod is here.
Okay.
And then the heater is, and the floorboards is next.
Okay. So after I left there yesterday, you guys will see on the previous video, they were putting in the axles. So Dad's got everything in. The sprockets are on again. And so gear shifter on the dash still has to go in. That's a project, but tracks can go on. That's about a 2 to 3 hour job with enough guys. And so what else is left? You got a door on the back to put on.
Yeah.
Does that fan blow the right way?
Yeah. You want to check it there?
Sure. Why not?
Just a minute. Okay. The fan blows out, okay?
Okay.
And then switch the wiring.
Okay. So Dad just tested it. It's blowing the wrong way. He's just going to switch the wiring. And it should be a quick fix.
I guess the ground wire goes to here,
Yeah.
and that wire goes to ground.
Okay. So that's it. So that's hooked up. Axle and sprocket on this side here. And you were doing some welding or just had it? Well, you got the welding machine here.
Oh, I got some welding to do in here yet.
Okay.
I don't want these hoses to pinch down,
Yeah.
so I'm going to put a metal arc over each one of them.
Yeah.
So when the floor sits down, it sets on the metal instead of the hoses.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay.
it. I'm gonna work on this afternoon.
Okay. Okay, so there we go. Dad talked to Perky yesterday. Perky's going to come back later on after this machine's done and out. Dad doesn't have time to help Perky with his machine. So this is what they're doing here today. And then I think Dad's got his Quebec Highlander outside. And let's see. Yeah. So there's some work being done on the airboat here right now. What do you got going on today?
A little bit of netting.
Netting. Okay, good.
Preventive measures, safety.
Yeah, well, you need the safety and the preventative measures, right?
Yeah.
Preventative maintenance.
A prop screen.
Okay.
We gotta start here and keep going in so everything's.
Yeah. Did you take the prop off of this one or? Okay.
We got a new one to put on, but
Okay.
we're not putting it on until we get everything else. We got wiring to do yet.
Yeah.
And they brought me a truck for testing lights and.
Okay, good. So, 2 big jobs on the go here, and but Dad's pretty happy. He was pretty happy yesterday with his progress on the Bombardier.
I don't want him working on the Bombardier alone.
Yeah.
I want to be there. So
Yeah,
that
100%.
Everything is right.
Yeah.
So he'll carry on here. I got some other stuff to do, and then after dinner we'll get back
Yeah.
on the Bombardier.
So Dad was pretty happy yesterday. I'm happy for him. I'm happy the axles came back in. Did we inquire about the fuel tank?
Yeah, I gotta take a gauge to him
Yeah.
next week, and he'll incorporate the gauge, and we'll figure out where the
Hole's got to go?
Yeah, it'll be about here, right?
Yeah.
I'll have to cut that hole.
So if you guys want to see an example of that, just find one of Peter Dunlop's Bombardiers on our channel. There's about 400 videos you're gonna have to look through. Well, 350 for sure, but I have made examples on some of those. So yeah, it's coming along, guys. This machine will be out the shop before you see this video.
Height that it should be where that red mark is.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see the red mark.
Yeah. Okay. Now the floor is going to be a little tricky because
Right.
I'm going to have to put it up on an angle and a step.
Yeah.
It'll fit right here and it'll fit right here, but then when I get
You
back
have
to
to-
there and
yeah.
down the drive shaft, I'm going to have a step in it.
Yeah. Okay, so Dad, that's another big project for Dad is doing that, but I'm sure he's got all the
This is
steel
it.
already.
Gas pedal,
Yeah. Yep.
brake.
It's
You
working
hardly
good.
got to push on the brake.
Yeah, good. Good, good, good. Happy, happy, happy. Spent the night outside last night, and it's 11:30 in the morning, and he is sacked right out, tired.